In this video, we're going to talk about functions of namebox in Microsoft Excel. We have opened a spreadsheet. For example, we need to highlight the 13 cell. Instead of pressing Control button and using mouse, we use namebox here. Just mention cells here, D2, D13, press enter. D2 and D13 cells are selected. You can apply formatting to the selected cells. You can bold these cells or italic them or underline this. These are the use of namebox in this case. Other than that, you can name specific ranges. For example, we need to find sum of the total cost here. So first of all, we select the ranges, D2, D13, all the cells are highlighted. We specify a name for the highlighted cell. We use cost data to name these ranges, and when using some function or other functions, instead of mentioning cell references, we use cost data. Use cost data, we'll find sum here. This is true for other function. You can use average, cost data, we found the average. There is another wonderful function of namebox. For example, you have a huge amount of data, and for some specific region you need to visit a 1000 data, a 1000 cell. So what you need to do, just specify the range cell in namebox, press enter. Excel will immediately take you 1000 cell. There is another wonderful function. We need to create a table for these items. So first, select the whole table area, whole data, name it, or name it. We name it as cost. Okay. And now we move to insert, create table. If we press OK, table is created.